What's the meaning of airy-fairy? Airy-fairy. 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 Airy-fairy.
The term airy-fairy is often used to describe something that is vague, impractical, or lacking substance. It can refer to ideas, concepts, or even people. When something is described as airy-fairy, it carries a sense of frivolity, whimsy, or insubstantiality. It suggests that the thing being referred to lacks clear definition or serious thought. Overall, calling something airy-fairy implies a lack of depth or seriousness, and can suggest that it is not worth taking seriously or investing time in.